Hello, today you're looking at a LeRoi 25 horsepower rotary screw compressor brought to you by Lanco. Unit is a 25 horse with a PSI rating of 125. Take a look at the inside here. Is in good working condition. We'll turn it on here in a second. It is wired for 230 volt. Comes with a manual, which is right here. Very nice. Overall dimensions, 50 inches long by 54 inches wide by 43 inches high. Has 16,238 hours as of this recording. There is the hours right there. I was not lying. And to start it, we'll hit this button and away she goes. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.